While packing for a trip to Portland, I posted, "Finally trying out packing cubes" on Instagram. In response, I got a flurry of messages from excited friends. "Packing cubes are a life changer. They are the best," one said. "The fanfare around my shiny new packing cubes made me feel like I had just entered a secret in the no club of savvy travelers. But it also made me realize that while I've traveled with compression bags and sacks, packing cubes were a different game." I'd always thought of them as similar, but packing cubes and compression bags have different pros and cons for travel. Compression bags, also known as space bags, help you fit more stuff in your bag. Packing cubes, on the other hand, help you organize your luggage. The real question is, which one makes the most sense for your travel needs? In this video, we break down the difference between packing cubes and compression bags for travel and figure out which one is worth investing in for your next trip. What are packing cubes? Packing cubes are rectangular organizers made of sturdy fabric that unzip on 3 sides, kind of like a mini suitcase. Travelers primarily use cubes to pack and organize clothing before placing the cubes inside their backpack or suitcase. Packing cubes are usually sold as a set. The best ones will have different sizes and handles, and they allow you to see what's inside without opening them up again. When not in use, they fold flat and can be left in your bag when you aren't traveling. Are packing cubes worth it? Yes, packing cubes are absolutely worth it. Here's what makes them useful. Keep your luggage organized. Use packing cubes to group your clothes so you always know where to find things when you need them. Help clothing stay neat and wrinkle-free. With packing cubes, your carefully folded or rolled clothing is less likely to come undone and get wrinkled. Prevent small items from getting lost. Little things, like socks, tank tops, or your last clean pair of undies, are less likely to disappear mid-trip. Allow you to pack and unpack quickly. Take out just the packing cubes you need for one night without having to unpack or rummage through the rest. How to use packing cubes. Using packing cubes is straightforward. While there's no wrong way to use them, you'll get the most out of your packing cubes if you use them for organization. Packing cubes can be used for toiletries, electronics, or other items, but I still find small toiletry bags or cord organizers work better for non-clothing items. To use your packing cubes, first group your clothes together and designate a bag for each grouping, like t-shirts or underwear. Next, roll. Don't fold your clothes so you can easily see everything in each cube. Avoid under or overfilling the cubes, just like you would avoid overfilling your backpack. If you end up with a half-empty cube, try consolidating. Finally, put the cubes in your backpack or suitcase and win a game of Tetris. Stack them efficiently to eliminate unusable space in your bag. For maximum organization, buy a second set of cubes and layer them on top of the first set. The best packing cubes for travel. To avoid overpacking, buy a set of 3 or more packing cubes with at least 1 large cube and 2 smaller ones. While some sets come with more, carry-on-only packers will rarely need more than 4. Look for cubes made of durable fabric with strong zippers. Outbreaker packing cubes. Unlike most cubes, the Outbreaker packing cubes are built to last. The zippers are YKK, the best in the business. The fabric is a VX3 sailcloth, which we chose because it has enough structure to stand up while still being lightweight in your luggage. With the mesh lids, you can see what you packed in which cube. Do packing cubes save space? Packing cubes help to consolidate your clothing and keep it dense. So, yes, they do save a bit of space. But if saving space is your priority, skip ahead to the next section. Compression bags for travel. Compression bags are not the same as packing cubes. Rather than organizing the items inside your luggage, a compression bag will compress bulky items, usually clothing, to help you save space in your luggage. Compression often but not always lack the organization features of packing cubes. They are also more likely to wrinkle your clothes because of the compression. They are best for travelers who want to pack more in their backpack or suitcase, like those packing for sweaters or coats for winter trips. How to use compression bags. Packing with a compression bag depends on the type you're using. For compression bags, the ones that look like a giant Ziploc bag fold. Don't roll your clothes and fill it up. Before sealing, roll the bag like a giant tube of toothpaste to get all the air out of it. Then, seal, flatten, and pack away. To clean them, wash with dish soap and a sponge. These bags look like the ones that you would use for home storage but don't require a vacuum. For stuff sacks, the kind that look like a sleeping bag sack, you can roll or fold your clothes before packing them inside. Then, tighten the drawstring and tug the straps on the outside to shrink down the pack. To clean these, you should be able to toss them in the wash, but check the care label on your bag first. The best compression bags for travel. The best compression bags for travel are ones that you can compress without a vacuum. You'll also have to choose between a traditional compression bag, a compression sack, or a compression cube. Traditional compression bags for travel fit better in square luggage like a suitcase or travel backpack. Stuffed sacks are better for top-opening backpacks, though we don't recommend these for travel. Either works in a duffel bag. If you can, look for compression packing cubes that marry the best organizational features of packing cubes with the space-saving features of a compression bag. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.